is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
What's up, y'all? The moss cross wreaths always do super well for me on Etsy. Alright, so they come in two pieces, and all you do is work this right down into that wedge. Make sure it's a little bit even, for sure. Alright, and then the wires that are in it, you just wrap them together to hold it all together. Once it's secure, I just like to tuck those wires down back into the grapevine. Or this isn't grapevine, this is angel vine. Check it out. I'm gonna get this positioned on our grapevine. To do that, y'all, I'm just gonna run a pipe cleaner right through the back of here. One right down here. All right, let's get this attached. All right, y'all, I'm gonna trim these down. Put a little bit of hot glue and just glue that back into the wreath. Now let's make our little bow next. Let's get ourselves a little tail going, get a twist. Y'all, I'm gonna make these about 6.5 inch loops. I'm gonna use only one color ribbon, one size, but I'm still gonna separate it and cut out each loop. What wreath did I make last night? Oh, the chicken wreath. I was like, did I make a fall wreath last night? It was a chicken. Alright, let's put a single center loop in here. Alright, let's tighten this up. Give it a good twist. Alright, so I'm gonna get mine added right up here. So that it accents the cross but doesn't cover it. Get this nice and twisted. All right, so now we've got that giant bow, we've got the little cross, and we're gonna keep building out to make it look bigger than what it is. Yo, I'm gonna start with a little bit of ficus, just because ficus is an easy way to build out your shape. Y'all, if you're gonna use some kind of stem like this, always give it like a little bend. It just makes it look more natural compared to just a straight stick. All right, I'm gonna add this one going straight down. And remember, we want it to look bigger than what it is. So I'm gonna make it up off the grapevine and off to the side. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing right out this way and then right up this way. Now look how that lets us see what our overall shape is gonna be. Y'all, I'm gonna steal one more piece of this ficus. Cut it just a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna actually work it into our bow a little bit. All right, before we add a whole bunch of stuff here, let's get our bow cleaned up a little bit. Y'all, I grabbed this hydrangea bush. All right, now I'm gonna place these right around our wreath. Y'all, I think I'm gonna lose the leaves. All right, always make sure that your flower stems are not gonna be flat. Flat is not fun. So I like to take my stems and get it curved up. So that the stem doesn't just jab through the grapevine, but it actually goes through the grapevine and stays within it. All right, I need to make sure I get at least one flower down here towards the bottom. I'm gonna get one up here to make sure that our flowers are nice all the way around. So I'm just gonna tuck that flower in a little bit deeper. Right, so you can still see the flower, but it's not quite as prominent. Y'all, I want to just use just a little cheap green. All right, so I just want to add these little greens right in random places to give it a little bit more texture. Another green. All right. She's done. She's full. She's wispy. Look how fun.